Jai Swaminarayan friends. We have discussed about the chapter 6, exercise number 6.3. Right? Question number 1 to 6 completed in last lecture. Now we discuss the next question, question number 7. Right? And try to complete the exercise. So first we discuss question number 7. First equation is 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8. Yeah. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8. And x plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. Okay? Right. First we solve this equation by elimination method. So 2x plus y equal to 8, x plus 2y equal to 10, multiply by 2. So y is equal 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 8 2s are 16, 1x plus 2y 10, cancel, 4 minus 1 3, 16 minus 10 6, x equal to 2. 3x equal to 6, so x equal to 2, right? Okay. Put x equal to 2 is here. 2, we take right side, 10 minus 2, 8, 2y equal to 8, so y equal to 4. Now prepare your table. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8. x0, y0 and intersection point is 2, 4. Put your x0, so y 8 and y0, x4. Now second equation, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. xy, common value 2, 4. x0, 2y equal to 10, y5, y0, x10. Clear? Okay. Now we draw the graph. Not given in first quadrant. Here the origin. Here the x maximum is 10 and y is maximum 8. First we draw 4 0. Suppose we take 4 0 and 0 8 is here. Okay, first graph 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8. Not satisfy 0 0. So not lower part, upper part of this graph. Intersection this point 4 0 and 0 8. Now in this graph, we take right side part, this portion. Right? You can extend up to infinite and draw the right side part. Now second graph, 10 0 and 0 5. 10 0 is here and 0 5 is here. Now we draw 0 5, 10 0 and second line is x plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. Right. Okay. So first line also greater, second also not satisfy 0 0. So also greater line, upper part of this line. And intersection point is here 2 4. So common portion is this one. This is the common portion. Okay. This is your graph. Is it clear? This is your question number 7. Now we discuss the question number 8. In the 7th question, both are greater than. Okay, no problem. Now question number 8, x plus y less than or equal to 9. Question is very important because if you change your sign less than or in place of greater than, then graph will be changed. Y greater than x. Yeah, this is y greater than x, and x is greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to 0, right? Okay. Here the x positive, y positive, x negative and y negative. So and constant term is not given, so pass the graph with origin and first and third quadrant. But here we draw the compulsory x greater than or equal to 0. And here directly you can draw it here. So our graph is only and only first and fourth quadrant. Here the origin. First we draw this line. Dotted. Because not equal to sign. Clear? Okay. Now you can decide here this side or this side, because our graph is right side of this one. In first and fourth quadrant, x greater than or equal to 0. So you can take this portion or this portion, right? Now check your point. How is it possible? Here 0 0, the next point is 1 0. Next point 1 0, 2 0, 3 0. Put here x equal to 1, y equal to 0. Not satisfied. X 1, y 0. So not satisfied. 0 is not greater than 1. That means this portion is not included. Right side. This one, left side. You can check also. Here the point 0 1, 0 2, 0 3. Put here. X 0, y 1. So 1 is greater than 0. So upper part of this one. Now this first line. Simple, very simple. Okay. So x plus y less than or equal to 9. So here the intersection point is 9 0 and intersection point of this one is 0 9. And common point at this one, intersection of these two line. Here you can suppose y equal to x. Suppose y equal to x. Put here y equal to x or x equal to y, anyone. X plus x equal to 9. X plus x equal to 9. So 2x equal to 9. X equal to 9 by 2. And x and y both are equal. So 9 by 2, 9 by 2. So intersection point is 9 by 2, 9 by 2. Clear? Okay? Do you understood? This is the important thing. Our triangle, this is your portion common. Only and only first quadrant is 0. Our graph is first and fourth both one. But here the limitation is graph in first quadrant. Okay? Question number 8. Now question number 9. Question number 9. Right. 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. 7 complete, 8 complete. Okay. X greater than or equal to 1. And y is greater than or equal to 2. Yeah. 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. X greater than or equal to 1. Y greater than or equal to 2. Okay. Only this one table. Put x 0, y 0, x equal to 0. So 4y 20, y 5, y equal to 0, 5x equal to 20, x 4. Okay. Now you can check also x greater than or equal to 1. Here 1. Suppose put here x equal to 1. Intersection of these 2 points, these 2 lines. X equal to 1. 5 1s are 5. 20 minus 5, 15. 4y equal to 15. Here 15 by 4. And now intersection of first and third line. So y equal to 2. Put y equal to 2. 4 2s are 8. 20 minus 8, 12. 12 by 5. Okay. Now we draw the graph. We draw only first quadrant because here condition is this type of. x greater than or equal to 1. Vertical line 1 0. Now x is greater than or equal to 1. This is your origin. Right? So right side of this portion. Right side of the first and fourth quadrant. Okay? This line is x equal to 1. And you take this time here the point. So x is greater than 1. If you select the point at the line, on the line, x equal to 1. And you can goes to the right side. So x greater than 1. Now y greater than or equal to 2. 0 2. Okay, so y greater than or equal to 2. So common point is this two line 1 2. Okay, so y greater than or equal to 2. So intersection of these two line. This line is horizontal, this one is vertical. Common portion is L shape. L shape. Now draw this line. 4 0 and 0 5. 4 0 is here and 0 5 is here and is less than. 0 5 on the y axis. 4 0 on the x axis. And intersection point of y equal to 2 and this line is 12 by 5. 5 2s are right. And 2. Okay. Now intersection of this line 1 and 15 by 4. 4 4s are right. 15 by 4 approx 4 point something. So below the 5. Below the 5. And here the 5 2s are. So smaller than 4. Smaller than 4. Okay. Now 5x, this line equation is 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. 0 0 satisfied. So lower part of this line. But our limitation is here. Our limitation is here. Okay. So our area is the figure is only right angle triangle. Only right angle triangle. Okay. Clear? This is your question number 9. Okay. Now we discuss the question number 10. Question number 10. Three x plus 4y less than or equal to 60. Three x plus 4y less than or equal to 60. X plus 3y less than or equal to 30. Right? And you can draw the graph. Only first quadrant. First quadrant is given. Only first quadrant. Now first elimination method. Multiply by 3, first equation, so x will be equal. First equation as it is. Second equation 3x. 9 is the greater. 90 is greater. Y equal to 6. Minus 5y equal to minus 30, so y equal to 6. Now put y equal to 6 any one equation. Suppose here 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. 5 6 are 33 are 90, right? Minus 5y equal to minus 30, minus minus plus. So y equal to 6. Okay. Put y equal to 6 any one equation. 3 6 are 18. 30 minus 18, 12. So x equal to 12. Clear? X equal to 12. 12 6 is a common point. Now prepare your table. Here 3x plus 4y. Now x, y, 0, 0, and here 12 6. x equal to 0, 4y equal to 60, 15. Y 0, 3x equal to 60, 20. Now second equation is x plus 3y less than or equal to 20. Common point 12, 6. Put x 0, 3y equal to 20. So y x 0, 3y equal to, sorry, x plus 3y 30. Yeah. X plus 3y equal to 30. So 10. And y 0 here 30. So on the x axis maximum is 30. Here 20. And on the y axis maximum is 15. Here the 10. Okay, now draw the graph in only first quadrant. Okay, 20, 0. 20 we take nearest to 0. And 0, 15. Yeah. Zero 15, 20 0, and 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60, right? 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60. 0 0 satisfied. So line of this equation 3x plus 4y less than or 60 and x axis and y common portion is this right angle triangle. Right triangle is the common portion. Now second line table 30 0 and 0 10. 30 0 we take here, 0 10 is here. X plus 3y less than or equal to 30. Okay. Now intersection point is 12 6. Yeah, right. 12 inside the 20 and 6 is below the 10. Okay. Now 0 0 satisfied. So common portion is again second right angle triangle. Second right angle triangle. First right angle triangle. Common portion is this type of figure. Okay. This is your common portion. Okay. Do you understood? This is very important. Clear? Question number 10. Now we discuss the question number 11. 11 and 12 both are very important question. 11, 12 both are very important question. Look at 11th question. 3 equation is given. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4 first one plus y. 11th question, total 3 equation is given. Look here. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. X plus y less than or equal to 3. X plus y less than or equal to 3. And 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. Okay. Again repeat. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. X plus y less than or equal to 3. 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. First we do not satisfy elimination method. Not solve in elimination method. First we prepare the table. When in your question more than 2 equation is given. More than 2 equation is given. Never can be solved by elimination method first. First always prepare the table. Only table. Only table. x0, y0. Put x0, y4. Put y0, x2. And in this second equation, 0, 3 and here 3, 0. And third equation is 0, 0. Put x0, minus 3y equal to 6, y equal to minus 2. Put y equal to 0, 2x equal to 6. So x equal to 3. Now draw the graph. Now draw the graph. When we necessary, which equation are solved, then draw the graph, then we decide. Origin 0, 0. Right? Okay. Now here first 2 equation is the first quadrant. And this one is the first and fourth quadrant. Okay. On the x-axis maximum is 2, 3, 3 maximum. Y axis maximum is 4. Okay. Now 2 0 and 0 4. Okay. Yeah. This point is 0 4 and 2 0 is here. Greater than, so right side portion. Yeah. Sure. 2x plus y. Okay. Now check one. 2 0, next point is 3 0. Next point is 3 0. 2 3s are 6 plus 0. Okay, 6 is greater than or equal to 0 0 is not satisfied. Clear? So first line equation graph is upper part of this line. Okay, you can extend also. Up to infinite. But right side or upper part of this line. Now 3 0 and 0 3. 3 0 and 0 3. 0 3, yeah. Right. 3 0 and the point 0 3. So x plus y less than or equal to 3. Okay. Now which portion is the common? This line 0 0 satisfied. That means first line upper part. Now second line is lower part. This one. So now intersection of these two lines is the common portion is up to this point. Yeah. Intersection of this portion. Right? Now draw the third line. Third line 3 0. 3 0 is the common. Okay, done. Second and third equation 3 0 is the common. And 0 minus 2 is here. So draw the third line. 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. First point and here 0 minus 2. Put here 0 0. 0 0 satisfied. Less than or equal to 6. So left side part. First two equation common portion up to this one. Now when we draw the third line, so this portion will be cancelled. So only triangle, this one. First, second and third. Right? First, second and third. Okay? Done it. Now first we solve these two equations. So intersection of point of this two line. Intersection point of this two line is this one here. Okay? You can directly solve this. First equation below the second equation, this one. Y will be cancelled. And 2x minus x and 4 minus 3, 1, x equal to 1. X equal to 1. And put x equal to 1, so y equal to 2. Intersection of this 2 point. Right? 3 and 4, 4 and 3. You can write directly 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? Now, intersection of this two line. Here the point is 1. Condition is given. Question number 11. No. Yeah. So common point 3 0 is the common. Now this equation 4 and 6 we solve it. You can also directly. First we write this equation 2x plus y equal to 4. Below this equation 2x minus 3y equal to 6. Now change your sign. Right? Minus plus minus. Okay, so y plus 3y 4 and 4 minus 6 minus 2. So y equal to, right here, 2x plus y equal to 4 and 2x minus 3y equal to 6. Minus plus minus cancel. Okay, so 4y equal to minus 2. So y equal to minus 1 by 2. Y equal to minus 1 by 2. Right? Now place y equal to minus 1 by 2. minus 1 by 2 we take right side, 4 plus 1 by 2, 4 to 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 divided by 2, 9 by 4. Okay, 4 and 6 here. Now write here 9 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. You can write here 9 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. Look. So whenever the more than 2 equation is given, never can be first elimination method. First we prepare the table and check which line intersect and which area included. Then we find the elimination method. Here first we decide this one. Alright? Suppose this portion is given. Upper area is this one. So why should we these two equations solve one? Right? Okay, so this is important. So whenever more than 2 equation, never can be applied the first elimination method. First we prepare the table, then draw the graph, then see which point we have find it. Then find the intersection point. Clear? So this portion is important. Now question number 12. Right. Question number 12. Question. Look. X minus 2y less than or equal to 3. Yeah. 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 12. X greater than or equal to 0. That means first and fourth quadrant. But y is greater than or equal to 1. So only first quadrant. Okay. First we prepare the table. You can solve the elimination method because this line is vertical, parallel to x-axis. So you can solve 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Multiply by 2. So y is equal 2x 4y equal to 6. Right? Multiply by 2. First equation. Second equation as it is. Cancel 3 plus 2 5x 18 x equal to 18 by 5. Put any one equation x equal to 18. Suppose first equation 18 by 5 minus 2y equal to 3. 18 by 5 minus 3 by 1 equal to 2y. 3 left side, 2y right side. Now cross 18 minus 15. 18 minus 15, 3 by 5. So y equal to 3 by 10. 2 is denominator. Right? Now prepare your table. X minus 2y less than or equal to 3. X 0, y 0, and common point is 18 by 5, 3 by 10. Put x 0. So y equal to minus 3 by 2. Put y 0, x equal to 3. First and fourth quadrant. Now 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 12. X 0, 4y equal to 12, y 3, y 0, x equal to 4. And common point 18 by 5, 3 by 10. Okay. Now put y equal to 1 in both the equation. Put y equal to 1, both the equation. Put here y equal to 1, minus 2, we take right side, 3 plus 2, 5, x equal to 5. So 5, 1. Now second equation, put y equal to 1, 4 ones are 4, 12 minus 4, 8, 3x equal to 8, so x equal to 8 by 3. Okay? Clear? Now draw the graph. You can draw only and only first quadrant. Because y greater than or equal to 1. First we draw these two lines. 3, 0. 3, 0 is here. And 0 minus 3 by 2 is here. On the x-axis maximum 3, maximum 4. Okay. First line. X minus 2y less than or equal to 3. Intersection point 3, 0. y-axis minus 3 by 0, 0 satisfied? 0, 0, yeah. Okay, but here the first quadrant, x greater than or equal to 0, first and fourth. So, first line common portion is what? This portion. First and second portion. All this. V shape. Okay, common portion. Now second line 4, 0 and 0, 3. 4, 0 and 0, 3. 4, 0 and 0, 3. 0, 3. 4, 0. 3x plus 4y. Greater than or equal to 12. Right? 0, 0 not satisfied. So that means upper part. Upper part. Yeah, you can extend also y-axis also above this one. So first two line intersection point is 18 by 5, 3 by 10. 18 by 5, 3 by 10. 18 by 5. 18 by 5, that is 5 3s are 15, more than 3, right side. And 3 by 10, 0.3. Okay. Now third line is y greater than or equal to 1. Intersection of point of this two line is y coordinate is 3 by 10, 0.3. So you can draw the above this intersection point. This two line intersection portion is this V shape, right? Not V shape, here, this time. Now draw the y equal to 1. This line is y greater than or equal to 1. This one. Y is greater than or equal to 1. 0, 1. Because intersection point of y coordinate this two line 3 by 10, 0.3. That is smaller than 1. Smaller than 1. So smaller than 1 is here. Okay. Now first and second. 12. Where is your 12? Yeah, 12 and 1. This is a 8 by 3 and 1. 8 by 3. 3 2 za. Yeah. Left side. Okay. Done. Now here 5 1. This your some mistake here. Because 4 0 is here. And this intersection point is 5 1. So right side 5 1 is here. Approx here. So this line is almost this type of line. No problem, because we do not exactly the graph paper, right? Okay, so y greater than 1. So common portion is this one. Don't worry, 100% right your graph. Okay, so this is the common portion. Clear? So here the 12th question completed. Now 13, 14, 15 remaining we discuss in next lecture. Okay, so thank you very much.